बोलो भारत माता की, भारत माता की। आज बड़ी उम्मीदों और अपेक्षाओं के साथ आई हूं।
ఈ రోజున మీ అందరి ప్రేమాభిమానాలతోటి ఇక్కడ రావడం జరిగిందని వారు తెలియజేస్తున్నారు.
I am told that if I speak in English, that's why at the onset of my speech I would request all of you that when we say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, let it be so loud that Narendra Bhai sitting in Delhi can hear your joy at the launch of NIT. तो बोलो भारत माता की
జై.
Chief Minister Andhra Pradesh Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji, Union Minister for Urban Development Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Minister of State for Science and Technology Shri Chaudhary ji, Minister for Education Andhra Pradesh Shri Ganda Srinivas Rao ji, all the honorable ministers of the Andhra Pradesh cabinet, honorable MPs, honorable MLAs, a special mention for Manik Rao ji,
మాణిక్యాలరావు
who pursued NIT Thalepedigudam with me day and night, and a special thank you to Ganta Srinivas Rao ji, with whose cooperation and with the blessings of Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji and the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji, that I stand before you today on this joyous occasion. There are many who ask, हाँ मैं इंग्लिश में ही बोलूंगी. Thank you. There are many who asked कि how many institutions will you open in Andhra Pradesh? If you look at my own travel itinerary, for the past 3 to 4 months, I have visited Andhra and I have had the good opportunity of visiting your great state for more than 3 to 4 foundation and stone laying ceremonies. And I am proud to say today, as the Union HRD Minister, that IIT Tirupati, we started it with the blessings and the presence of Honorable Venkaiah ji and Chandrababu Naidu ji. Classes have started in IIT Tirupati. 480 seats were given for NIT Andhra Pradesh. Classes have started in NIT Andhra Pradesh. In IIM Visakhapatnam, classes will start in September. In IISER Andhra Pradesh, classes began on the 10th of August. But if you look at the investment done by the government of India in all these institutions, I would like to highlight that for IIT Tirupati, the investment would be approximately 700 crores. For NIT Thalepedigudam, the investment would be approximately 300 crores. For IIM Vizag, the investment would be approximately 680 crores. And for IISER, the investment is approximately 870 crores. If you add this up, then only in the higher education department, Government of India has proposed to invest over 3,030 crores for the development of Andhra Pradesh. Just like you, even I look forward to hearing the Honorable Chief Minister's vision, to hearing the speech of Adarniya Venkaiah ji. I have only one appeal to the students of NIT Andhra Pradesh. The West Godavari district is known nationwide for being extremely fertile. When we talk about institutes of technology, normally youngsters think of engineering in the chemical division, engineering in the electrical division, and technological engineering, which will help them have a career in the IT business. Chandrababu Naidu ji has a dream that Andhra Pradesh becomes the education hub not only of India but of the world. But my request especially to the students of NIT Thalepedigudam is that if you can help infuse technology with agriculture and find new ways of benefiting our farmers, then I am absolutely sure that apart from fulfilling the IT dream of Andhra Pradesh, you will also help agriculture in Andhra Pradesh soar to new heights. As the Union HRD Minister, before I end my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards Chandrababu Naidu ji and the Education Department of Andhra Pradesh. The Honorable Prime Minister last year during Independence Day proposed to the entire country and said that is it possible that in every government school in this country we build a separate toilet for boys and girls so that more and more girls don't shy away from going to school. I remember as the D-Day approached, I called up Chandrababu Naidu ji. I said, sir, you are the Chief Minister of the state, but I am calling with a very small request. The request is, can you please help us build toilets for girls in every school in Andhra Pradesh? Chandrababu Naidu ji said, this is not a small job. I take pride as a Chief Minister if I can provide access to every girl child of Andhra Pradesh and build those toilets in conjunction with my Education Department. And today, as the Union Minister of HRD, as an Indian woman, I am proud to say that under the direction and the leadership of Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, with the help of dynamic Chief Ministers like Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji, we have managed to build 100% toilets all across the country. What was not possible in 60 years of Congress rule, NDA has made it possible in only 1 year. And that is why my appeal to every youngster, my appeal to every Indian today is that this year the Prime Minister has given the call for Startup India, Stand Up India. Andhra Pradesh is the land of entrepreneurs. Andhra Pradesh is the land of those who seek adventures in the realm of new economy. My appeal to all Indians here, and especially the youngsters, that with the help of Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji and the state government, start startups in every district of Andhra Pradesh so that by next Independence Day, the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi can proudly say from the Red Fort that yes, it is the youngsters of this country, it is the people of this country who believed that they can write their own destiny and started new enterprises out of their own mehnat, out of their own parishram. As a lady, before I wind up, as I stand amongst many brothers today, there is a special request because Raksha Bandhan is approaching. I belong to a North Indian family, married into a Parsi family. But I always say, in our families, when a woman comes home to her brother's family or brother's home, the brother always blesses her with some gifts and sends her back. They never send the sister khali hath. Today I have one appeal. The Honorable Prime Minister had announced the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, under which for 12 rupees a year, accident insurance cover can be given for up to 2 lakhs. Never in the history of our country could ever any Indian imagine that insurance cover can be given for only 12 rupees a year. My request to every brother who is standing here today, and Manik Rao ji, come back. Manik Rao ji has to keep this promise, that in Thalepedigudam especially you begin this campaign from tomorrow. My request to every brother, and that includes my elders like Chandrababu Naidu ji and Venkaya ji, is that you gift on this Raksha Bandhan one Suraksha Bima Yojana or Jeevan Jyoti insurance policy, as the Prime Minister has said, to a woman in need or to your own sister, so that she can have the cover of financial security and her life and her family's life can be prosperous and secure. Can I take that promise back from all brothers? So all,
As an MP from BJP, I will sponsor 1 lakh.
I have an announcement here which I am very glad to share. You can say it in Telugu, sir.
నర్సాపురం పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యుడిగా 1,00,000 మందికి 12 రూపాయల బీమా మన కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీలో చేస్తానని మీ అందరికీ 1 lakh. MP from this state, Gangaraj.
So I will only thank initiatives like this. With the help of all of you, we will fructify and fulfill the dreams of all those who worked and gave up their lives so that we could breathe in a free India, an India which is a land of our dreams, an India where we together write a new destiny of our nation. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to the people of Andhra Pradesh and Talepedugudam specially for this opening of the National Institute of Technology. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bolo Bharat Mata ki.
I don't know.